Hi guys, it's Charity from ALoopandAHook, and today I wanted to do a video on how to use a yarn winder. I got one of these for my birthday a few years ago, and I have loved mine. I was scared of using it at first, but when I started to use it, I absolutely fell in love with it. It is amazing for working with balls of yarn that are messy or partially used or tangled or whatever. And unlike rolling the yarn into a ball on your fingers, you can actually work from either end, which is really nice if you have to make two things out of one ball of yarn at the same time, which I do sometimes, and it works amazing for that. I also wind my yarn into balls, or as some people call them, cakes, when I am working with a type of yarn that gets easily tangled. And this helps me to be able to untangle it before I start the project, so that when I'm in the middle of a project I don't have to stop and untangle yarn. And this makes it a lot easier for me to work on my crocheting. I have here this really messed up ball of yarn that I want to wind to make it look nice, and I am going to show you how to do that. To get the yarn onto the yarn baller, I'm going to take my yarn and wrap it through this little loop right there. This keeps the yarn steady and at the same tension so that you have a nice even ball. I put the yarn into these two little slots here on the cone so that the yarn doesn't move, and I will start balling. I had to untangle a knot in my yarn, which was a rather large one, and so I am going to begin winding my yarn again. Finished untangling my yarn, and I'm going to finish rolling this up. I'm almost done with my yarn, and when you get towards the end you want to go slowly. So my end's right here, and so I'm going to take my end and stick it underneath one of these strands of yarn and pull it so that my ball doesn't unravel when I pull it off. Now that I have the whole skein of yarn done, I'm going to take this and twist the cone off and leave just the base here, and I have the cone here. I'm going to move this out of the way, and all you need to do is you need to take the ball of yarn that's on this cone, and you're going to just slowly pull and twist and squeeze it off. So when you have it, you're going to have a cone like that, and you can just squish it together. That relaxes it. So this is the finished product. That is how easy it is to wind your own yarn into a ball or cake. And this is what mine looks like. It's really nice, and I love it when I'm using other types of yarn that are brighter colors, because the colors turn in such a way that it is amazing. I love mine. I use it a lot when I'm crocheting, and I hope you guys will use yours too. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. See you later. Bye!